Johnny Smith, what's good? Tony Dior, what's good? Tony Dior, what's good? I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Hey, Johnny Smith, what's up? Hola, ¿cómo estás? How you doing? How do I pronounce your name? Is it Anja? Anjana? See, I'm a little dyslexic and I can't read, so I don't pronounce things very well. Elementary school failed me. Very much so failed me. Doug's Garage. Hey, yo, the best barber in the motherfucker. I can't curse, but the best barber in the world, dog. It was good. Ah, you're Indian. That's what's up. Hey, congrats. Token Gamer was good, bro. Hey, I'm chilling, man. Marcus99, what's up? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Doug's Garage is in this bed. I'm excited. I'm excited, dog. What is going on? What? Oh, Terrell Williams is on my. He put it on the tweets. Sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to get distracted like that, but y'all know how I get sometimes. I'm easily distracted for some reason. Serious case of ADHD. Y'all know how I start this off. Just definitely follow me on my Instagram. If you don't, my stories be amazing. And when I say my stories be amazing, that means that I usually put stuff that I talk about on, like, things that I see and I just want to post. I just post it onto my stories. I don't really like the stuff that I post on, like, the page. They're fun. You know, I post like silly stuff, and you know, sometimes I post like other things, but my stories is where it's at, dog. I recently just did a nice little interview with Your Crypto Babe. Definitely go ahead, check that out. It was a nice 22 minute interview. She asked me questions about myself, how I got into the space, things that I'm excited about, blah 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 blah. What happens? Going live, y'all know how this goes. Blah, go away. And I was telling people, you know, make sure y'all come join the live and whatnot. Slice. Make sure. Value DeFi. Oh, another person getting wrecked on DeFi. That's unfortunate. Terrell, when you're talking about hell no, has Bitcoin topped out? Hell no, of course not. We're gonna see. We gonna see. Please. What's good, Menho? What's good? What's up? Can y'all hear the music? Is the music straight? Should I turn it up a little bit, or should I turn it down a little bit? Let me know how the music is, man. Menho. Just to make sure y'all can hear. I can't hear it because it's supposed to be in my headphones, but my headphones is broken as F. Like, I don't know what it just is. Let me see how it's like. Look at this. Like, look at this. This is what I get for trying to grow out my hair. Like, this is literally what I get for trying to grow out my hair. I can't have a pair of headphones without them breaking because of this. That's why I need you, Doug's Garage. I'm gonna be seeing you next week. I'm just letting you know that right now. All right. Yeah, it's all right. I'm not. Music is straight. I want to make sure y'all can hear me. Oh God. But yeah, make sure you also follow me on Twitter. If you don't, that's your fault. I'm just kidding. But make sure to follow me on Twitter. What's good, Crypto Cousins? I'm posting, retweeting stuff. But we're gonna talk about some of the stuff I retweeted. We're gonna look at some coins. But of course, I mean, I know you guys who are here. I know you guys y'all mess with me, y'all subscribed, and y'all came and subscribed, and y'all watched the videos, and y'all like, and y'all comment. So thank you, I appreciate it. But if you haven't, make sure you share this and show people, hey, come through, come like, come subscribe, come show my favorite crypto YouTuber some support. You get what I'm saying? Come show me some support, because I'm here. But that's good. Doug's Kura. What you laughing at, bruh? Like, Marcus, what you laughing at, dog? Like, the broken headphones, that's not even my only pair. Here's another pair. Here's another pair of broken headphones. This one just snapped recently. Look, it's dangling. And the crazy thing is, this half already broke before us, and I used that powerful black duct tape to keep it together. Now I'm thinking, well, I gotta go ahead and black duct tape this side, because I hate buying new headphones. I hate it because they break. They always break on me, and I'm like, man. What am I gonna do, dog? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I have the same headphones. Yeah, dog. Bro, these Turtle Beaches do not love me. These Turtle Beaches do not love me. What were these? These are more. See, this is why I don't think I'm gonna get Turtle Beaches again, because these are Turtle Beaches too, and these were supposed to be like stronger and better, and they failed on me too. But these were a gift, so I'm gonna see if I can get these fixed, because these were a gift from a friend, and I can't, you know, disrespect my friend like that. He got me these out of his heart, so we'll see. But what is it? This is the thing. This is the thing right here that I wanted to look at real quick. Blah, go through there. There we go. Don't even know who this personality is. It doesn't matter, but it made me laugh. This made me laugh. My friends, I can't believe you made it through the past 3 years in crypto. And I'm over here sitting here like, yeah, this So at first I thought, like, I don't even it's definitely losing my mind. These past 3 years was definitely me losing my mind. Look Kermit, why Kermit, why are you going crazy? But this one's the funniest one right here. I think this one is definitely the funniest one. I don't know if he's hitting it from the back or like I mean, I'm assuming that's what he's doing, but domestic violence. But coming here to get what you guys will really want to see, and that's this Bitcoin chart. Put this on auto. Ooh, so what was it this morning? We're not gonna say this morning. What was it? Yesterday. So yesterday we topped out at like 6,500 ish, and then by the time I woke up this morning, we were sitting at like I think we're sitting even lower. I swear I thought I saw it at like 15,300 or something. Like, yeah, I thought I saw it at 15,300 this morning, but I guess I was wrong, because I was like, oh snap, it's over, we're done, time to pack up. But look, guys, look at this. Looking at the daily, this is nice. Like, what is this? I don't think this is a shooting star. I don't want to say the wrong term, but this is definitely like a doji, and this is essentially a sign of a top or like a reversal. Like, look at this doji right here. You see a long top, long bottom, very little price action, and this is like on the daily. So that day, this is what's going on, and we crashed. And then we had another one right here where it was like, okay, long, and then we crashed, but people just keep buying it up. I don't know I don't know who's buying it up like this, but somebody just keeps buying it up. So are we at a top? I couldn't even tell you if we hold on. Sorry, y'all. I still got the cough from. I still got my cough from when I was sick. I wonder if they could hear that. I don't think they could hear that. But so right now we sitting at $6,094 or around $16,094. Could we go higher? We could. Could we go lower? It's more possible we do that. But just look at where we're sitting at. Like, this is all the types of when I first got in. Like, I could really, like, I want to pull this up for you guys real quick. As I pull it up, and I'm gonna give you guys the exact number of when I first bought a Bitcoin. I'm gonna give you guys the exact number, the exact price that when I first bought a first Bitcoin. It's pretty easy because, thank God, it's gonna take like 2 seconds. And when I say 2 seconds, all right, yeah, I finally got here. All right, so the first time that I bought a Bitcoin was December 19th, 2017. My gosh, December 19th, 2017 at 9:25 p.m. 9:20. The price, you know, let's play a game. Yeah, I'm good. I'm doing really good right now. I'm feeling a little better. Let's play a game. What's the price you guys think is my first purchase? What do you guys think the first purchase is? I'm gonna give you guys a hint. It's definitely over 1,500. It's definitely between 1,500 and 20K. But let me know in the chats. 18K is too high. 17K is really close. I had to make sure to look at it again, just to make sure when I tell you guys, I'm not lying to you guys. 1570 is too low. Yeah, I know what you meant by the 17. 16,800. Woo, you hot, boy, you hot. You getting really close. 17 and 1,800. That's y'all getting really close. I'm not even gonna wait for you guys to get the exact number, but if you guys get the first 1, 2, 3 numbers right, I'll stop. Oh, all right, we're gonna stop right there. Token Gamer, he definitely got he ain't no one getting closer than that. $16,934. That was the first time I bought a Bitcoin. Ain't that a bit? And we still ain't get there. We still ain't get there, dog. We still ain't get there. But it's okay because I was dollar cost averaging the whole time down. So just because we're getting finally to the point where I first bought a Bitcoin, that doesn't mean I'm finally breaking even. That just means I can finally sell all my Bitcoin and be done with this. Nah, I'm not gonna do all that. But I can't believe I've lasted this long. We touched it yesterday. I think we did touch it yesterday. Was it on the futures? I'm on futures right now. I don't see it on the futures because usually people go off of futures. And I only remember 16,500 on the futures. Do you guys remember? Hey, what's good, fam? Crypto Cows Life, what's good? I'm just chilling, man. I'm chilling, talking about coins and charts and whatnot. But just be mindful, guys. If you're just getting in, just like when you see something like this, like when you see straight ups like this, it's scary to think about, but just look at all these times we went straight up. You know, we have to come back down. Now granted, I don't think we're going to be doing this again. I think we're like, people finally say that we're really in this bull market now, so we gonna see. I don't like getting too overly excited. I got some cash on the side if I want to do whatever, but we doing good. So the reason why I bring all that up is because right here, Bitcoin profitability days. 99.6% of anybody who's ever bought a Bitcoin is in profit right now. Think about that. Think about that. If you bought Bitcoin one time and just held on to it, 99% of those people are up. 99.6% of those people are living, enjoying it. I can't even be mad at that. Only time is like, oh bro, wait till we break all time highs. Like, I'm gonna be, hold up, what is it? No. I'm gonna find it for you. I'm gonna find it for you guys. I'm gonna let you guys know before I actually do it. So only y'all, only law. Hey, shout out to Scotty P. He just put out a video. Go check it out. Oh, wait, what in the world? No comment. I don't. The reason, guys, the reason why I'm looking at this is because this is me, and I don't know what this is. Oh, wait, never mind. I know what that is. I'm gonna have to close that. But right here, right here. This is it. This is it. I'm not gonna play it because copyrights. But when we break 20K. I think I'm a parody. I'm a parody this right here. Y'all know, oh happy day, oh happy. Bro, I'm gonna be singing, oh 20K, oh 20K. I'll be look dog. I'm gonna do it for y'all. I'm gonna do it for y'all. I'm finna be out here. Oh 20K, oh 20K. Just going wild, but. How many of you guys would actually like that? That's what I want to know. How many of you guys would actually like to see me dress up in systematic clearance outfit singing "Oh 20K"? Give me some ones in the chat if you want to see that. Cause oh god, I sometimes I be having like some crazy ideas that I want to do. No, they putting ones in the chat. No. Oh no. Bro, Marcus said, nah, I'm good. Bro, I can't even sing. I really can't. I can't even sing. Bro, like, nah, I don't want to see that. Oh, water. Zeros. My dog said, no, please, no. All right, maybe I won't do it, guys. Maybe I only got 2 ones. Y'all don't want to see that. Y'all don't want to see that craziness. What is it right here? 1 year plus Holdaways. Whoa, where you going? Why do I feel like you're about to fall off? Hey, don't be falling off on me. The holiday season usually keeps the markets up. So, if we go back. Let's look at, so what usually happens is there's always like, well, I'm not gonna say always, but last year we had a Black Friday dump and people assume that, oh, people have to sell some Bitcoin to go buy gifts and whatnot. And then throughout the month of December, we just consolidated and accumulated, and then literally right after December was done, like January 1st, pop, and it was off. But then COVID came, and I shouldn't have said that on stream, but it's whatever. But you know, the pandemic came and then popped. Now, granted, all this right here is pandemic, you know? This would have never happened if it wasn't for pandemic. Who knows what would have happened here? We probably would have came back up, did that, and then kept going. You know what I'm saying? Now going back to right here, November. So going back even further, 2 years back, November 18th, same situation. This was the big crash. This was the crash that took us back down to 3K. And then all throughout down here, December, whatever, and then January, and then February, and then not knowing we were at the bottom. If you would have known we were at the bottom, you would have got. So In bear markets, no, the price does not go up. Like from what we're seeing in bear markets, the price usually crashes and goes down. Now, if I go back even further, in bull markets, when it comes to, we still get that November sell-off, right? We still get that November sell-off, but then this is on hype. On hype, we just keep rocketing. Going back even further, we'll just go back one more year, because this is what, end of 2017? We're gonna go back one more year, end of 2016. Right here, end of 2016, we were getting out of a bear market. Just like how we're doing right now, we're getting out of a bear market. And it was like a steady grind until the end of December. And then at the end of December, we popped off. So right now, we're already popping off, and we're what, mid-November? I don't see December, when people have vacation and, you know, everyone's home, everybody can pay attention, everybody can watch YouTube videos, all this and that. That's why people do Vlogmas Christmas in December, because a lot of people are home watching videos and whatnot. So, and of course, a lot of people are like, you know, taking their extra money and investing it and all this stuff, because it's usually a good pop-off point. So we'll see, but you know, you can't really predict these things until they happen. But back to the 1 year hodl wave. This line right here shows you like the different wallet addresses, and this is what I love about Bitcoin, because it's so transparent that it's like, how do I put it? It's so transparent that we can create these like indicators and all these graphs that read into the blockchain and show like the amount of wallet addresses that hold that have been holding for at least 1 year. So right here with this Bitcoin hodl wave, we can see that the last time, where it goes right here, the last time we were even this high, we've never been this high when it comes to like the Bitcoin hodl wave. But you can slowly see as we start going higher, people are starting to sell off a little bit. And I guess that's low key a good sign, because you can see the sell off right here. And this was like right before the halvening. And then when we finally was like broke the all-time high, we started selling off a little bit more again. So I understand how this sell-off is coming, and I get it, and I'm like, okay, people who've been holding for at least a year or more, they're taking their profits. And you also have to think about it. People who bought the top last time, they're probably opening up their wallets right now saying, oh, I finally broke even. Let me get out of this crazy Bitcoin thing. I'm good, not knowing what's about to happen, you know? So, hey, what's good, Scotty P? You just missed me shouting out your video. You late as F. Did you see the privacy thing for transaction? You're grounded. No, I didn't see it, but I'm gonna definitely check it out. Right here, if you guys don't follow, I always follow Bitcoin Stimulus. I always be posting, because it goes to show you like, they track the price. If you would have got your stimulus on April 15th, when the first group of stimuluses were coming out, how much would your stimulus check be today if you would have bought Bitcoin with that stimulus check? And today you would have, actually on the 13th, so yesterday, you would have $2,923. You know what I'm saying? You would have been up 143% if you would have took your stimulus check and bought Bitcoin with it. I find that to be like crazy, because this wasn't even like that long ago. Because here's the thing, if we go back in here, don't do that. I'm gonna have to like close this and move this out the way. April 15th is right here. Like, I remember, like, it's not even like, it was a red day. April 15th was a red day. It's not even the bottom, like, you know what I'm saying? if you would have caught it, if you would have boom, and the very next day, boom, we got a nice little pump, and then it bounced, and then we popped up again. So that just goes to show you that like this thing's on the move. And I'm like, I don't know, I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. So definitely follow Bitcoin Stimulus. Jimmy Song, this is just talking about Bitcoin's closed the highest daily close since back in 2017. Like, we're starting to see 2017 numbers again. Whew. We got a long way to go, y'all. We really do. This is just the beginning, you know? Like, this is like, shout out to Bitcoin and friends, but this is really the beginning. This next year, whatever happens, you know, governments are probably going to come out, say, oh, we're going to ban Bitcoin again, this and that, but we're going to get a lot of retail FOMO coming in next year. Do you have an exit plan for the next bull run? Yeah. Oh, and actually, I do have an exit plan. Right now, I'm hodling until people FOMO in. I'm hodling until my mom starts asking me about what Uniswap is. Like that's I'm hodling. If anything, I'm probably gonna go into some stable coins, DAI, USDC. I don't really mess with Tether. It's just a personal preference. I'm gonna cash out some for sure. But the thing is, the only thing that I'm worried about, the reason why I want to do it in like USDC or DAI is because I have a feeling when we do reach the top, or we do reach the next the next FOMO like ridiculous wave, all these exchanges are gonna crash. Because that's what was happening back in December 27, back in December when I was trying to get in. Coinbase wasn't letting people in. Binance was barely letting people in. Coinbase was like struggling with all the people that it had. And to this day, you got Gemini and Coinbase shutting down when the price goes a little bit too crazy at certain times. And yeah, and the Coinbase fees are extremely high. So thank God we have like Cash App too. So Cash App can help. And then PayPal right now, but PayPal doesn't have onboarding and offboarding when it comes to crypto. Not yet, but people say it's gonna come. But my thing is, Robinhood hasn't done it yet. And they've had crypto trading since 2018. And to this day, they still don't have onboarding and offboarding BTC. Now, granted, that's pretty dumb of them because they provide the trading, so they get that part aspect of it. But real people who know how to use crypto, they're not there. They're not using that stuff. But just going back to this stuff. But thank you for asking questions. Yeah, and Coinbase's fees are stupid, but we've been hearing like throughout like these past 3 years, Coinbase just kept increasing their fees, That's what they do. They about the money. This period, they about this money. They know, and of course, they're about the IPO, secretly. But you ain't hear that from me. Shh. But when they IPO, boy, this thing is gonna be wild. Coinbase has so much money, it's shocking that their customer support is so trash. That's what I'm worried about. What's good, Too Rich to Miss? Hopefully y'all saw my interview with Too Rich to Miss. Y'all know? So yeah, this next year is gonna be I want to say this next year is gonna be just unexpected wild, bro. Unexpected wild. And shoot, I'm here for it. I'm ready for it. I told you guys, like, this is where I was buying. This is where I was buying. Nah, bro. It's time for us. This time, just to be real, it's time for me to win, bruh. It's time for me to win. So Alex Saunders, he's also a crypto influencer. just talking about surely it can't go up much higher. BTC dominance is overdue. There's a gap at 9,600, 14k huge resistance, RSI overbought, like all these things. And then he said it. Funny thing about disbelief is that no one believes it. And so he's saying this is where we're at. We're in between disbelief and hope. So this, I honestly believe this is where we are too. That's just me. Like, I honestly believe that this is where, because people are sitting here in disbelief, like, oh, we're really back at these prices. We're really back at these prices. Oh, I'm cash ready due to election aftermath, COVID spike. I want to know, put it in the chat, guys. Do y'all think we getting any more stimulus checks? I don't think we're going to get another stimulus check, man. I really don't think. I think things are going to go literally right back to normal. And another stimulus checks just means that the economy still hasn't recovered from the pandemic effects, and they don't want to talk about the pandemic anymore. They just want to move forward from it. So I don't think we're getting any more stimulus money, at least not the people. Oh, we will get at least one more. You think so? You really think we're gonna get one more? We are, but it won't be anytime soon, in your opinion. Nah, bro, they playing with us. They playing with us. Cash ready due to election aftermath spikes, tax plans, hella early in the game. Yeah, it's hella early, bro. Hella early. Like, forget, like, wait till optimism. Wait till belief. Wait till thrill. It's I won. Give me my money, smoky voice. Yes, we will. Too many states closing back up. States are closing back. What states are closing back up? Drop a link, because I haven't heard about states closing back up. But, well, you know, I'm in Florida, so we never. Well, we shut down, but you know, government is Debo G. Chicago. Oh, I did. Okay, so no. I did hear about Chicago. I didn't hear about New York. I didn't hear about New York at all, but I did hear about Chicago. I will say that you just reminded me of that. I was watching one of my dudes. Yeah, we going to a party. Shoot, what you mean? We've been partying in Florida since ever. Partying with those big old gators. Do y'all see the photos of the big old gators in Florida? I know y'all saw the photos of the big old gators in Florida back in my one of my hometowns. So yeah, if y'all don't know, I'm from Immokalee, Florida, but I was born in Naples, Florida. But let me pull this up right here. Tether printing more money. Of course, if we go here, where's Tether at? Because I know Tether's like at the top. Go here, go market cap. Tether just printed some more. This is Tether. Tether has been printing money. Tether has just been printing money. Tether has just been like, it slowed down. It stayed still. Like, of course, during the time that Bitcoin was just, you know, flatlining and whatnot, it was chilling. But as the price print, let's go. And use like Jesus. So yeah, Tether's been printing money, bruh. Alex, whale alert. That's not what I'm looking for. Where's the gator? Where's the gator? Where's that one was a good one, but that's not the gator I'm looking for. That's not the gator I'm looking for. Where's the gator that everybody was talking about? Where the gator? Where the gator at? Oh. Shout out to my Mount Sock collection. I have every one of Mount Sock's socks that they've ever created. Every one. This one right here is sold out now. They don't have this one anymore. And you know, I've got every sock they've ever created. Shout out to Mount Sock. Man, I don't see the gator. Cause I know I shouldn't have to go that far down. No. 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 Boo. It's all right. I'll see the gator again eventually. If y'all remember Crypto Bobby, he doesn't make any content anymore, but Crypto Bobby, he was talking about how when he's seeing CNBC talking about the Bitcoin alert and how it was at 6,300. And like, man, every time I see mainstream media talk about Bitcoin, I get so mad because I know that means just a crash is coming soon. And I'm like, oh, come on, dog. Come on, bro. Like, why y'all gonna come and like ruin the fun? But he said something, and I said the same thing. Like, don't sell until BK is teaching people or normies how to buy Wi-Fi on Uniswap. Oh man. The reason why he says this is because CNBC, if you guys remember, I don't know if you guys were around the last bull market, or at least at the end. But at the end of the last bull market, CNBC was showing people how to buy Ripple at like $4. I want y'all to think about that, dog. They were showing people how to buy XRP at $4. Never mind. It never got the $4. $3. CNBC were showing people how to buy Ripple right here. Isn't that, bruh? That's why you can't. That's like, in my perspective, I don't know who's making money off of watching these people. Like, for real. I don't know who's making money watching these people. Hold up, what happened to the music? Stop playing. Get back to it. Thank you for listening. Oh, so I'm playing, if you guys don't know who this is somebody like I can use to get like free music and have free music playing in the background. Linkly inspired. A lot of, you know, it's like a YouTuber secret that, like, you know, you can play his music and he won't copyright your music at all. He's like, it's free to use, all that good stuff. So we in there, and he's got like solid beats. But if y'all know anybody who has like solid free beats, send them my way, bro. Send them my way. I'll put the beats in the background and whatnot and play them just so you guys have something to listen to when I'm talking, you know? What was it? So yeah, so they were showing people how to buy Ripple. Hopefully this not sound. Yeah, they were showing people how to buy Ripple at $3. They're gonna do this. They're gonna show people. See, you know, they don't even talk about like Uniswap or nothing on here. They don't even, like, they strictly stay to Bitcoin and Ethereum. They don't talk about anything else. Wait till they start talking about Uniswap. That's when I know it's a wrap, guys. It's done. It's done. Get out while you can. Because when they start talking about Uniswap and how to set up a MetaMask. But by that point, we all should be sitting pretty good. You know, you sitting pretty good because we're all ahead of the curve, way ahead of the curve. But speaking of Uniswap, so Uniswap went down last night. It was crazy. So Uniswap, the user interface of Uniswap went down last night. And so when you went to the Uniswap website, it wasn't working. But here's the thing about Uniswap and the DEXs. You can get to it multiple different ways. It's available on other IPFS gateways. It can be ran locally, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you can run Uniswap locally on your computer. It can easily be forked and re-hosted. It's available on these different other sites that you can use. It's also available on uniswap.eth.link. You can trade natively over this. You can trade Uniswap through a wide variety of different aggregators. So like 1inch and all that stuff. You can trade Uniswap over Etherscan, and you can trade Uniswap through a command line. So even though, like, this is why I'm like, if the Uniswap website gets taken down or gets seized by the government, that doesn't matter, because it's on the blockchain, because it's on Ethereum blockchain, and it's there forever. There's nothing you can do about it. It's a protocol. It's just going to be able to run. You just have to be technical enough to know Wi-Fi was down quite significantly. Do you recommend buying? I don't recommend buying anything. That sounds like financial advice. Do I have a bag of Wi-Fi? Yes, I do. I will say that. I do have a bag of Wi-Fi. I didn't catch that at the bottom when it was at 7,000, but in my last video I reported about how Polychain Capital, they bought like 1% of all the Wi-Fi out there. So if Polychain Capital, a venture capitalist fund, is buying Wi-Fi, they're not planning on selling anytime soon. So that, take that as you will. But if a venture capital firm, and granted, I was talking about it in the last video, and I was saying how, like, we were able as like regular people to get into Wi-Fi before the venture capitalist firm got into Wi-Fi. That's the power that cryptocurrency is able to do for us. Please, this next cycle is going to be stupid. But granted, this next cycle is going to be a lot of garbage too. So just be mindful of that. But, I tweeted out here and said I need to be more technical, because like this, like if I hit the Uniswap website and I couldn't get to it, and granted, there are other ways I'd been able to trade, I don't know what I would have done, but you can also trade directly out of the MetaMask wallet itself, and the MetaMask wallet itself is another aggregator too. So yeah. And then speaking of this, so prices of DeFi blue chips are back to where they were in August, yet the amount of hype is nowhere near what it was. What does that tell you? Disbelief. Somebody wrote disbelief. Yeah, guys. So as DeFi summer is done, DeFi summer has been done. And all these prices are starting to finally slowly grow back, because you got all the food tokens that came out, and all those are still bleeding out, dying, while some of the real products that came out are bouncing back. So you got Aave bounced back. I don't even want to look at it. Synthetics just bounced back so hard, and I'm like, Jesus, blue chip DeFi. Another thing, so AKN or Acorns coin, Acoin, he just launched Acoin. It's got a trading pair of on USDT, but he just lost his Acoin. It's on Bittrex, and I'm sitting here thinking to myself, who in the world is still on Bittrex? Like, who? Do you have any favorite crypto books you've read in the past? Bitcoin and Black America, the Bitcoin Standard. I'm not done reading that. That thing, Internet of Money is the next one I want to read, just because like this stuff isn't going away anytime soon. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin isn't going away anytime soon. This is going to be around even after I'm gone. So just read up. But the Internet of Money, that's Andre Antonopoulos. The Bitcoin Standard, that's a good one. Bitcoin in Black America 1 and 2, because I believe 2 just came out or it's on pre-order. But those are the books so far that I would read. But Acoin, purple and gold, of course. Acorns out here, it's trading at like 14 cents, well, almost 15 cents. And it just released, and then it popped up to like 19 cents and then it came right back down. Now, I don't know if this is supposed to be like a currency. This is on Stellar, right? Yeah, and this is on the Stellar blockchain. So I don't know, because like I remember he said it was going to be on the Stellar blockchain, so that way it can move like super fast. And you know, he's probably got connections with like Stellar people and whatnot. If I go to their page, One Africa, One Coin, join the Telegram group, blah blah blah, blah. Acorns listed on Bitches. This is Acoin. Acorn is the cryptocurrency powered by a marketplace of tools, services, fuels dreams, entrepreneurs, business owners, social activists. Acorn helps connect their engage across the raising Africa beyond, creating a vision. What does it actually do? You know what I'm saying? Like, what does it actually? So, is it supposed to be like a currency? Acorn to preside more trusted currency alternative. So it's supposed to be a currency. So it's supposed to be a currency like Bitcoin. Shout out to, you know, Acorn for doing his thing, checking his stuff out and trying this thing out. I'm not even gonna shoot it down because I've seen other things that, you know, will have done something, have not done something, but we're gonna see how Acorn goes. But maybe if it wasn't named after him, it could be, you know what I'm saying, like it maybe if it wasn't named after him, some people would take it more seriously. But I've seen personal Ethereum tokens come out as well. Chiquio crypto, DeFi will explode. What do you mean? DeFi hasn't even left. What is it, DeFi Pulse? Look at this. Look at the amount of money all year. Look, and we're still going up. We're still going up. This past year, like, even though it took a stutter, still keeps going up. 90 days, still keep going up. Even though all the prices were dropping, still keeps going up. More money's being locked up in it. This is gonna be nice, dog. Acoin. We're gonna see how that goes. So everyone's the talk of the town. His promo run this week got a little pump. It's a pump and dump just like everything else in this space. Yup. Hey, I ain't even mad at you. Okay, cool. Coins that were left in the dust are waking up. Yup. So ETH 2.0, this is the ETH 2.0. I know you guys probably seen this already, but this is tracking the ETH 2.0 deposits into the validator node and whatnot. This is cool and all, but this is something that's worrying me because there's an account right here called deposit ETH. And you know, he's literally showing twice a day how much ETH has been deposited into this contract. But I'm going to this article right here from Cointelegraph, something that I didn't know, and I'm glad that I do know. Ethereum 2.0 is set to launch December 1st. You know, just the beginning of it, not the real ETH 2.0. But if the minimum stake threshold is not reached 7 days before that date, it will not stop. It will not start. So we need to get 520 whatever's 524,288 ETH, and we're only at 73,000, which means we're only really at 13%. And looking at this calendar, it has to be 7 days before the first. So we got a week, a little over a week to get 100, to get to 100%. And this has been out for 2 weeks and it's only gotten 13%. And if that happens, it gets delayed again and people are like, what's gonna happen? What happened? Please take care of that for us, Kinsey. Oh, you think I got it? Sheesh. Bruh, ain't like, this is the thing. So because most people have their ETH locked up in DeFi and getting yield that's way more, this isn't happening. Now, this is what worries me because I've got some bags in Rocket Pool, and I got some bags in Rocket Pool, and Rocket Pool only goes up when hype for ETH 2.0 goes up. You know what I'm saying? And if ETH 2.0 gets delayed again, my Rocket Pool bags are gonna drop. So I'm watching this very closely because after then I'm probably like, if this doesn't make it, I think I'm dumping my Rocket Pool bags until we see some changes happening, because this doesn't look good. This doesn't look promising. But yeah, guys, I think that's really all that I have. Oh wow, I've really almost been here for a whole hour still. That's really all I got. This is my Chainlink chart that I was looking at. Chainlink versus BTC. It's had this nice little line that it's been following since back of May 2019. It usually bounces off this line pretty well. And I'm looking this on the weekly chart, and we almost got to this line, but I feel like we can come back down to this line, and I'm gonna buy some more Chainlink when it comes back down to this line. Who knows? We'll see. But you know, when Chainlink pops off, it's also a good indicator of all these other coins popping off as well. And also before I got off, I was gonna look at the CoinGecko hot list, because y'all know how the CoinGecko hot list, it's, the coins you shouldn't be buying because they're overhyped right now. Fuzi, FYZ. I'm be honest, I don't even. Alliance Block, Sora, Axie Infinity, Value Liquidity. Oh, they must have got rug pulled or something. Jesus. Yeah, they must have got flash loaned. Like, bruh, flash loans is the new rug pulls. Uni. Wow, it's crazy. Uni's back to $4. Jesus. Jesus, Uni. Look at you. Go ahead. Block stack. I don't even know. How long has this been around? Well, it's been around for a while. Block stack's getting a nice little pump and dump. But yeah, I was just gonna go through the hot list, but I don't want to stay on for too long. I've already been talking for like almost an hour now. Ponzi. DeFi will explode. But yeah, guys, I'm just getting off a cold. No, I didn't catch the vid. I didn't catch the Rona, but I'm good, dog. I just want to make sure I get some vitamin C. But tomorrow, just me making more content. Be talking about. I really want to talk about this ETH 2.0 and this Rocket Pool and my whole theory about that. So maybe I'll finally make that video. You always seem baked. At least nah. I haven't smoked in like 2 weeks. Just off the real. Just because that the trees, I'm not gonna say trees is expensive, but trees is definitely an expense I can do without. You know, like it's definitely expense I can do without. Cause look, when DeFi summer came and we were making that money, I just told myself, you know what? All I gotta do is put a little bit more money, a little bit more money, a little bit more money, and I could really, really run up this bag. So that's why I'm really just trying to like cut off of my expenses, because I'm not gonna hold you guys. The DeFi summer definitely treated me really, really nicely, and these past couple months I've been splurging, bro. Like I made sure to always have trees on me. Took some people out on some dates. You know what I'm saying? Ain't even heard back from them like that. All that good stuff. And I just told myself, and you know what I'm saying, I got me a new iPhone, because you know I got my old iPhone right here. I had the iPhone 7. I finally is like, all right, it's time for me to upgrade. So I got the brand new iPhone and whatnot, all that stuff. So I splurged a little bit, but now that I'm done splurging, it's time to tighten back up. It's time to like really get these returns. So I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that for sure. Yeah, no need in spending money if I don't need to. Nah, Florida don't even got good trees, bro. Nah. I had a homeboy come from Colorado, and he brought down some stuff, and he's like, bro, this is just like this is mid over there. It's like, this is mid, man. Why you bringing me this? I'm like, god damn. Like, and he was just like, yeah, bro, it's like whatever price you paid over here for this. I'm like, my god, bro. So yeah. Maybe I don't believe that, bro. I don't believe Miami trees is like that, dog. I don't believe it, bro. I don't believe it. Florida has a nice climate. It's hard with the lockdowns, bruh, and all these Black Friday sales. They should have had a sale on Binance or you, man. Yeah, for sure. They should have had a sale. I mean, we might get that sale. Just to be real with you guys, we really might get that sale. Look, we have great weather and tan women all year round. I can't be mad at that for Florida, you know? I can't be mad at that for Florida. Hold up, we at 58 minutes? Oh, and the music just stopped too. Of course. So I'm gonna give you guys like 2 more minutes, you know, let it hit the whole full 1 hour mark. Anything you guys want to talk about for the next 2 minutes? Because I know we over here talking about we over here not talking about crypto. We over here not talking about crypto. It was good. We'll message when you get them. Oh yeah, designs. I need these designs. Wait, so has Bitcoin topped out? Has it? Nah. Let me refresh the page. Let me actually answer the question. Has Bitcoin topped out? Nah, I don't think so. I really don't think so. Top outs look more like this. Top outs look more like this. A really big candle and a wick. A wick like this. Like we hit like a crazy high price for a couple of hours and then come back down. Coming to what we are here. I don't see no crazy wick up. That's just personally me. I don't see no crazy wick up, so I don't believe we topped out yet. That's just my... Oh, you guys... Why do I keep doing that? Let me do that one more time. Just for y'all. So, last time we topped out, you see this wick up. This was from last year. That's what happens when Bitcoin usually like tops out. It gets and then it wicks. So... This is the entire top out, which this doesn't even count because that's the end of the bull market. but this is like a wick top out right here, and this doesn't look like a wick up top out. It doesn't look like it. It needs to be like a big candle that just pops out of nowhere, like kind of like this. And right now these doesn't look like a top. This doesn't look like top out candles. It looks like we're chugging along, because even when we crashed down, people bought it up. Like we already on a new day. Like I think we literally just started a new day. Yeah, we literally just started a new day, and that's how that day ended. So that just looks regular to me. So nah, I don't think we topped out. You gotta visualize it in your mind. I don't see. You gotta. Oh God, can't see the screen like this. Y'all know y'all know I got a problem with doing that. I be forgetting, because I have it here. I see myself, and I'm gonna have to stop doing that. But we hit the hour mark. I gave you guys an extra hour. Dang, Tells, you late. But I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. I got 5 on it. I saw the super chat, and I completely forgot to say something. But thank you, Carlos. Appreciate it. I got 5 on it. But man, other than that, thank you guys. Definitely rewatch the stream. Appreciate it. I'll check you guys out next time. Take it easy. Peace. Skeet, skeet, skeet.